Hey everyone, I'm from Regrob.com and today we are visiting at Kolte Patil Mirabilis project which is located in Horamavu Bangalore. So this is the view of main connecting road. And now we are moving towards the project. And here is the main entrance gate. This project is built across 8 acres of land and carries 7 number of towers with 12 floors each. And in total comprises of 618 number of units. It offers 1, 2, 3 and 4 BHK residential apartments. So we are inside the project. And now we'll give you the interior view of a sample flat. So this is the spacious living room with beautiful interior work. Here you can see the dining hall. And this is the view of modular kitchen. Now here comes the first bedroom of this flat. Here you can see the wardrobe section. So this is the interior view of the second bedroom. As you can see, the room is very spacious. And skillfully designed for the comfort of the residents. Now this is an attached washroom with this bedroom. This is the common washroom. Now this is the master bedroom of this flat. Over there you can see the wardrobe section. And this is an attached washroom with this master bedroom. So friends, this we have given you the interior view of a 3 BHK sample flat. Now this is the outside view. And this is the view of the project model. As you can see, it's a grand project and is surrounded by lush green environment and is well equipped with all the modern amenities to facilitate the needs of the residents. So this is the overall view of the project. Thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and queries, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.